What if I told you brushing could be smarter, faster, and lazier, all at once? Meet My1Brush, India's first three-sided manual toothbrush designed to clean your teeth thoroughly in just 30 seconds. Take a pea-sized amount of toothpaste and place it here, right in the center, where the three brush heads meet. Place the brush over your teeth and gently move it back and forth, like this. The triple-sided head automatically hugs your teeth from the front, back, and top, giving you a full clean in one simple motion. You don't need to angle or twist the brush. Just move it straight across your teeth and it does all the work for you. Now let's talk about why My1Brush is so unique. Soft, gum-safe bristles, gentle on your gums, tough on plaque. Full tooth surface coverage. All three sides cleaned at once. Replaceable brush heads. Each head lasts up to 4 months. Just pop off and replace. No batteries needed. Unlike bulky electric brushes, My1Brush is super light and easy to carry. Finally, design. Its curved neck easily reaches the back molars, ensuring no spot is missed. Once you try My1Brush, you'll never go back to regular brushing. Healthier smiles only with My Oral Care.